Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday, so I just wanted to make some seafood soup. So guys, I'm just going to boil this until it is soft. It didn't have the right color that I wanted, like this right here, so I just decided to blend it. So guys, I also went ahead and I add some fish pieces because I had fish in the fridge, like just a fillet, one fillet, and I just decided to add it to it. And guys, I also add some pepper, some Thai chili. I didn't have any Scotch bonnet, but I had Thai chili in the freezer, so I just added to it. And there you have it guys, it's time to grab on this. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.